Hey guys, it's Sergio
and Sheila.
and we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
All right, today we're in East Dallas, kind of close to the M Streets neighborhood. We're only 5 minutes away from Lower Greenville. We're a few minutes away from the Lakewood Country Club and less than 10 minutes away from North Park Mall. With that being said, Sheila, give us more information about this property.
Yes, this is built in 2024. It's a 4-bedroom, 4.1 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's 3,887 square feet. It's currently listed at $1,769,000, which is $455 price per square foot, and it's sitting on a 0.17 acre lot, which is roughly 7,400 square feet.
Awesome. Thank you, Sheila, for that information. I want to remind you guys, if you're looking to buy or sell here in the Dallas area and you want to partner with true luxury agents with over 10 years experience, well, that's Sheila and I. You get 2 agents instead of 1. Not just that, we're also part of the #1 luxury broker in town, which is Beth Allman and Associates. That being said, let's go check out the property.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour.
Again.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property, and if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Perhaps you're interested in selling your house for top dollar in today's market. Well, we can help you with all your buyer or seller needs. All you need to do is schedule a consultation call by clicking on one of the links down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Guys, thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.